Hello and welcome to your Unit 6 project choices for persuasive elements. You may choose any of the following options to show that you are able to create your own non-fictional document using what you have learned about nonfiction during this semester. It is due by January 24th, also the end of semester 1, so I strongly recommend that you turn it in early to get a better idea of your final semester 1 grade before everything locks for the first half of the school year. Number 1, you can do a conspiracy theory research presentation. Choose a topic that interests you, something about which you do not already know a lot, so don't choose a topic that you've researched for this class before. Teach people about your topic. You can use any format that works for you, an essay, PowerPoint, you can create a video, do a speech, etc. Present all sides of the issue, but try to persuade readers to believe your bias on the matter. Number 2, create a commercial or advertisement. Create a product. Must be a never-before-seen product. Create an infomercial video to sell your product. Be sure to use lots of visual aids and persuasive evidence. Make sure to include at least 2 propaganda techniques. 3. Write a letter to the editor. Choose a topic that you feel strongly about which is affecting your community. Write a letter to be published in the newspaper that tells your side of the argument. Be sure to use appropriate persuasive techniques to get readers to take your side. Be informed. Research all sides of the issue so that you are prepared to refute any possible counterclaims in your letter. Number 4, speak up. Write and present a speech on a topic about which you feel strongly. You can share it in class or record it and submit your speech as a video file. Don't forget to submit your written notes, outline, or speech draft to the Dropbox too. Be sure to show that you are informed by referencing at least 2 credible sources in your speech. Include at least 2 visual aids to support your ideas. Visual aids can be handmade posters or a digital presentation such as PowerPoint. Number 5, create a blog. Create an online blog where you can share your thoughts on a particular subject and invite others to leave comments for discussion. Include at least 3 different text features, not including a title. Be sure to use appropriate persuasive techniques to get readers to take your side. 6. Hold a debate. This one takes a bit more work to coordinate, but well worth it. I can provide you with Blackboard rooms to work in whenever your group chooses. Find a group of peers to debate an issue or question. This can be serious or fun. For example, global warming is real versus global warming is a sham, Monster versus Red Bull, One Direction versus Justin Bieber, etc. The debate should demonstrate mastery of argument, counter-argument, and rebuttal techniques. The debate team should also complete research to find supporting facts and evidence. Be sure to submit a list of sources used in the debate with the final project. Record the debate using audio or video platforms. Game design. Create a digital game or a board game teaching the persuasive techniques that you learned in this unit. Choose a topic and research it online. Use this information to help create the examples or storyline for your game. The digital game should be fully functional and serve as a review of the unit standards. If you create a board game, make sure to record the gameplay, at least 5 minutes. Every project should include these requirements. So these are the final requirements for any project option that you choose from the 7 that I just reviewed. Each project should utilize at least 2 credible sources of information. Take notes on your sources and be sure to keep track of source information, the title, the author, the URL, etc. You'll need this information for citations in your reference page. All projects should include a list of sources used in the development of the project. Extra credit will be given for MLA formatted works cited pages. Proper in-text citations and/or parenthetical references for written work is expected. All multimedia projects should include verbal acknowledgement of sources, so you need to give credit where credit's due. Don't forget to do that. Every project should include a conclusion that discusses the persuasive elements used or analyzed in the project. The purpose of the reflection is for you to demonstrate understanding of the persuasive elements used in your chosen project. Have fun with this task. As always, I'm here to assist you in any way that I can. Don't forget to review the project rubric, so keep scrolling down till you find it. The project rubric is where you will be able to review the grading rubric so that you can understand how you will be graded. Ask someone to look over your project and give it a grade with the rubric below during the editing or proofreading stages of the writing process. Be proud of your work, so don't be afraid to share it. And you can see that the highest score you can get in each category is a 10. So mastery of LAC 2 content standards, you should be demonstrating an outstanding grasp of the content standards. The project could be used as a model for teaching the concepts. For length, you want at least 500 words for any written project that you do. If you're doing a multimedia project, it should be at least 5 minutes of content. So this won't include any introductory music or animation or credits or any of that extra stuff that you might include. Resources and format. This should demonstrate an exemplary use of the resources. Information or citations are accurate and relevant, including reference list. Appropriate format should be used. Ideas are clearly and completely developed, no technical errors, and all project choice guidelines are completely followed. For effort, you can get up to 10 points as well. The project shows evidence of great effort and enthusiasm. It is obvious audience engagement have been considered in the planning and creation process. The reflection should show a complete understanding of persuasive techniques, so don't forget that component to your project as well. And again, you can get a little bit of extra credit if you do an MLA formatted works cited page and just attach that directly to the Dropbox. Especially don't forget it if you're doing a multimedia presentation or a speech or something like that. As always, if you have any questions, certainly check with me.